Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Boohoo Nasty Gal try on unboxing clothing haul. So, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with Nasty Gal. That one's the quickest. I had to pay like 10 bucks for shipping, but whatever. Okay, so the first one I got was a checkered plaid high-waisted like pants. Ooh. Oh, it's stretchy, yes. So I got it in a size 2 and it was like literally like 10 bucks or something like that. So I wanted to change up my pants for a bit and try something different. But still, like, I could probably use it for a couple other times. Okay. I like it. It's, like, very stretchy. Yeah, sorry about my panty line. But, yeah, so it fits. I like it. It's not that actual bad. I was kind of worried because the fabric was a little, like, very stretchy. And like, I don't want it to look leggy-like. I want it to look like very like fitted and not like another legging type, but this is not too bad. And I'm 5'3", so yeah. Yes, we like. Sorry about my pudge. And then this one. Okay, so this one is, I was trying to create a outfit with satin, so I think this is it. So I wanted like a satin button-up, and if you saw my last haul, you knew that I bought pajamas that I thought they were satin, but they weren't, so that's money down the drain, but it's okay. So this is a buttoned-up, satin. It's really nice. This is a size 2, so I really hope it fits me. So we'll see when I try this on. And it has like a pocket. Ooh. Okay, so yes, I like it. I forgot if this is oversized or not, but I don't think so. I think it looks fitted, so we'll see. Okay, so like, look how big this is. So I was like, okay, since this is like too big, I might just tie it like so. To make it more fitted for me, because this is like way too big. Yeah, like this is fine. Yeah. I might get it too, like, who knows, but yeah, much better. Okay, so it's comfortable up here. You can definitely wear a bombshell bra if you want to. I'm just wearing a regular one and it's not that bad. What do you guys think? Yes, now I like the fabric. It feels great on my skin. What do you think? Okay. I rolled up the sleeves because it was just like, it's way too big, you see? Well, I guess it fits correctly, but I don't like the whole, I'm a 3/4 sleeve kind of girl. It just looks better in my opinion. But that's just me, you know? Oh, I think this one I like. I'll probably size down if they do have another one, because I mean, I do like it. I just didn't know it was gonna be this big. Okay, so my big one, Boohoo. I love Boohoo. They're pretty good in shipping, although this one came kind of late, but I'm not mad or anything like that, because you know, just during these times, I know shipping can be delayed, so I'm not mad about it. Okay. I honestly forgot what I bought, so. Alright, so so these are the Petite Shelby high-waisted woven wide leg trousers. They're size 6. I thought it was size 6. So, okay, UK size 6, and then the US is size 2. So, I want to make like high, ooh, dang. Okay. It looks really nice. I can't wait to try it on. Okay. This is cute. This is cute. Like, I feel like I have longer legs though, and I'm not even, this is cute. I feel my gut, but yeah, and I have enough. I could probably wear 2 or 3 inch heels and they'll still look good. No pockets, but it's not bad. Honestly, and the fabric is really nice. I look a little artsy right now. I don't know who I am right now. Who am I? But yes, I'm about these pants. These pants are cute. Yes. Okay, this one is the Petite Notch Detail Oversized Boyfriend Blazer. Yes. Oh, I wanted to try the blazer. Yes. So I bought a petite blazer. Okay, so these are, it's not, okay. This is what it looks like. So I think in the picture she like ruched it up and it looked nice. The material, you know how like blazers are a little bit more fitted, like structured? This one is like a, you know, kind of like very loose, not like, you know, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, anyways, so I wanted something like this for more casual, like dress up, like maybe a blouse and like high-waisted shorts, and then just pair a blazer on so I look more like my age, you know? Yes, I love. This is cute, and then it's like really fitted here. So if anything, I could just like roll it up. Remember, this is more of a softer fabric, but yeah, this look, honestly, very cute. No pockets, no. Yeah, so this is more like a very casual, it feels almost kind of like a cardigan, but very, very cute. I like. Okay, yes, and it's fitted. See? Fitted. I'm just gonna, I like this. This cute. This cute. Bought, oh, okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. See, and then I bought another blazer. Is this petite? Yeah, so this is a petite ruched sleeve blazer. Okay, so this one's the ruched one. This one has shoulder pads. See how it's a little bit more structured? And I like 3/4 sleeve kind of type, so we'll see how it looks on me. But yeah, yes. Yeah, so I wanted to style this and see how this goes. So I'm excited about trying this one on. What do you think? Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, I love the 3/4 sleeve, ruched, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, Oh yeah, I like it. Do we have pockets? No, we have faux pockets. Yeah. Whatever. Oh, yes, yeah. Okay. And then the last one, I think I only spent like 40, 50 bucks on this one. I mean, on the total Boohoo. Okay, so this one is a black denim jacket, which I kind of needed anyways because I have a blue one and I want a black one because black also matches with a lot of things too. And I was like, yeah, let me add this too. So this one is a size 2. It's a crop denim because I like crop just because it looks a little bit more fitted for like smaller bodies. When I get like just regular size 2, it's like, it just looks too much on my body. I already have a small body, so I wanted to look a little bit more proportional, so I got it in cropped. So I can't wait to try these on. One, and yes, I rolled these up once or twice. You roll it up again. I want more of a casual look with denim because it's already like Not one of those like rough materials, but yes, I'm about it. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, Boohoo. Okay. Highly recommend on this one. This is a crop. So see how when it's cropped, it looks fitted, you know? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Like, you see the casualness of it, you know? Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. I'm wearing this. I'm freaking wearing this. Oh my god. Yo. Honestly, I'd wear this to the airport too, yo. Like, I can put my stuff in here. Just this stuff real pop, yo. Yeah, so I recommend, this one's probably my favorite out of this haul. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This one was like 20 bucks maybe? 25? I don't know, but I recommend this one. This one, yes. You see, like, black on black. Like, look, when it's fitted, everything just works. And I'm just... Okay, you guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.